Hey monkeys, welcome back to another video. And today, as you can probably tell, I have two new OMG dolls from, I don't know what series, but I just know, oh yeah, they're series 2 OMG. And so, this one is Alt Girl, and this one is Candylicious. So yeah, let's just see what they look like. So I am going to, that's her sister, I don't know who that is, because I don't have her. I got these at Target, by the way. It's taking a little bit to take it off. Okay, I need to cut this. Cut it over here. And then another thing. So I cut these. And it comes down. And what do you know? There she is. So you start here. Okay. Let me take this part out. There's just this plastic piece that's come out. You probably have no idea what I just said, but okay, so here it is. Before and after. That's what she looks like. So now we will slide this out, and look, there she is. So why don't we take this off? And don't worry, I will rebuild this later. And so here she is in her outfit with these. She has like bleached hair with brown lowlights, and it says fashion. Unbox Fashions and Dress Me. So her shirt says her name, Alt Girl, but that's not what I'm going to be calling her, so I need to cut this open, or not this part. You don't need to cut open that part. Okay, I got her out. And these things, which are like underneath them, I don't know why, but I just think they look like tables, so I just use them for tables with my little dolls. So her hair is very smooth. She comes with a silver brush and a black stand. I don't want to accidentally cut her hair. So I'm using these little scissors. Ah, no cutting hair. Okay, there's more little things to snip. So many. These scissors aren't very good. Okay. This is like impossible to get out, so I apologize for that. Okay, I got one. The trick is to do it from the back. Sorry, I'm not showing you. It's just hard to do while filming. So many little zip ties that are just impossible to get out. So I'm just going to rip her from here. Well, that worked, but her socks came off a little bit. So put her socks back up. Her socks are already kind of too big for her, but whatever. So here she is, finally. And so these front bits of her hair are very crispy. And he has these two little half of her hair ponytails. And yep, like I said, her hair like this. And so her pants have like little lacing on them. It's cool. And she has these little white socks with yellow stripes. So I'm going to sit from here, take out her stand and her brush. So now let's open this. And there we have her bag. It's this little, like, I don't know, record box or something. I think so, because that's what it shows on her shirt. So back in this, let's just slide it on out. And she has a fake AC/DC poster, so it's ABCD because it's LOL surprise, of course. Okay, so let's reveal her outfit, or one part of her outfit, I guess. Oh, and it's the cute black dress design that we see on the cover. It has these chain straps, and it's like a black pleather. It's really cool. The pink hanger. So let's put, actually I won't put her in yet. And the next part of her outfit. Where is it? These hangers, they should probably fix them and make them like a normal hanger. Or put like a plastic zipper, like they do on the, like the LOL surprise balls. So here we have her cool plaid jacket with this pleather vest and this symbol, the girl symbol, or I don't know, there's some like sign, there's some, I don't know, some zodiac sign like that, I think, I'm not sure. Can't wait to see her shoes. This dress is kind of hard to put on, it's like too small. Her hair is all in the way too. This is my first OMG doll with straight hair. Congratulations me. So I won't need to put it in like a ponytail or anything because the curly hair, I always just end up putting it in a ponytail and it gets really like straight in the area that I put the ponytail on. So not good. So this dress, you might need a little help to put it on. It took me a while. Okay. And there's just Velcro in the back. So this dress is like almost too small for her. It's like really tight. I don't know what's up with that. Well, it's kind of sad because now you can't really see her shirt. But we have to put this jacket on her. And some dolls' hands are removable. I tried to remove my Series 1 hands off. The first one's Queen Bee. You may know from watching my past videos that I have her. But her hand just broke right off. Not like the normal that pop on and pop off. But it just broke. And so in a way that you cannot fix it or put it back on. So just be very careful when you're taking off your hands, because you don't want to end up with a one-handed doll, because it looks very strange. Sorry, I've been doing everything in the corner. It's like hard to put it in the middle and show you guys, but let's continue. There will be a part 2 for the Candylicious also. So here she is with her purse, her cute little purse. But let's see what's next. So her zodiac sign is Sagittarius, which is, I don't know what date. Yeah, November 22nd to December 22nd. Get loud and rock against the norm, 'cause you gotta play your own song. Very inspiring messages right there, I guess. I don't know. Now time for her shoes. You have to separate this thing apart. Oh gosh. I guess we have to go with the ripping it apart strategy again. I have to crawl over here to get it. Okay, I'm back. And so, let's see her shoes. 3, 2, 1, bam! Here it is, wrapped in this cute plaid paper. Once again. And we have these tall boots, size 6.5, according to the package, which have a clearish brown heel and have many, many rows of laces. So this shoe, by the way, it always says it on the bottom. This is the right shoe. This is hard to put on with the sock in the way. Same happened with, I don't know her name, Lady Diva, but her shoes just would not go on with her tights. So you may need assistance if you're buying this. Okay, I think that's as far as I can put on the shoe. I'll show you in a second. I don't know why they made it so hard to put on these shoes with the socks. Okay, here's as far as I can put them on. It's kind of sad because they're both not on all the way. Look at this heel. On this one, the heel is popping out, and this one barely made it. So, that kind of stinks. Next, we have this silver thing. Oh, earrings. I'm so glad I opened that upside down, am I right? Oh, her glasses look awfully lot like one of the LOLs I have. I don't remember her name. Oh yeah, I named her Lori, but she has a different, like, actual confirmed LOL name. I'm not going to put those on her because it's hard to, and I have to take it off screen, which I'm doing right now. So, kind of hard to explain, but it's kind of awkward filming LOLs because they're just so large, such large dolls, and hard to get the all in frame with everything else, like the background and the other box, and they just have so much stuff inside them, so it's confusing. Okay, so here it is at last. Sorry, she was backwards. I don't know what this necklace is. What does it show in her picture? It shows it around her neck, but I don't see. Oh, there is an opening. So put that little, it's like a choker around her neck, a beaded choker. So that's pretty cool. So here she is, the final doll. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye. See you later.